This video will cover the optimized story experience option to export as Google Slides. We'll begin on our story page, go to File, Export. We'll change the file type to Google Slides. And the first time you go through this, you'll be prompted to select a Google account. Mine is already selected here. We can export as a new presentation or add to an existing. And we'll need to choose our location. This is my Google Drive. We have the option to change the presentation name, select a page range or a specific page, select an appendix or no appendix, and then an option to enable export in the background. So we'll go ahead and begin exporting this one. It will take a few moments to upload to the Google Drive. We can refresh here and open our slides. So we have a title slide and then our story page.